Okay, we're going to be working on the '01 Suburban today. These are the courtesy door lenses. It comes in a set, right and left. I think these things are about 25 bucks. Let's see. For some reason, on this truck, somebody took all four of them off. I'm assuming that somebody put the LEDs. This is it right here. So if you press this button, they come on along with all the other interior lights. So I picked up two, and they seemed like they were good, even though they weren't the original GM AC Delco. So I'll show you that install. See, here's the other one. Oh no, that one's in. There, it must be this one. Oh yeah, this one's kind of broken. So I'll show you how to get them out. So I think you just come in from the back here. I see right here on this side. There we go. Take the right one. They don't come with bulbs or anything. Actually, this one does. Huh. And a connector. So you get an extra bulb, which is nice. Just unplug the bulb and just go ahead and plug this one in. Peel off the plastic, and you put the base in here first, and then that clips in. And then we'll go turn on the power and check out what it looks like. Go over to the other side. Install this one. All right. So I saved that socket and the bulb, and I'll probably do the same thing on this one. All right, we got a spare bulb socket if you need it. Peel off the plastic. On the back side of this is a little clip. So just pry it up and pull the connector out. There's that one. Slide this one in. Actually, these two pins look like they're too close together. So I'm going to spread these out a little bit. See if it works now. I guess they assume that these things get bent. Okay. Alright, so put in this end first, and then push it in. Now I'm going to turn on the lights. Alright, so all of our lights are on, which is nice. It lights up the car at night. I think somebody may either didn't want the lights on in the car, or they had the LEDs and they kept them. So that's it.